Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 6 best handheld sewing machine for beginners. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Sewing machine for beginners. Electric mini portable, 12 built-in stitches with reverse sewing, 2 speeds double thread with foot pedal, storage bag, cotton fabric and threads, premium set. Brand Decal. Color purple. Product dimensions 4.7 inch dx 10.8 wx 10.2h. Material stainless steel, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS, stainless steel, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. Item weight 5.3 pounds. Power source battery powered. The perfect home sewing machine set. It has the accessories needed for sewing, such as a foldable storage bag, cotton fabric, and 12 colors of polyester sewing thread set for the sewing machine, etc. You don't need to spend extra money and time to purchase these accessories separately. As long as you purchase the sewing machine set, you can easily get them. Please read the manual and watch the guidance video before use. Dual power and double switches, 2 power supply modes with AC adapter and 4 AA batteries, not included. Our household sewing machine is with pedal switch and push button switch, designed for new sewing machine beginner. Easy to start the sewing jobs. High or low control double threads design make the stitching stronger and ends sewing without tying the thread. There is a speed button on the product to turn the speed in high or slow according to your demand. Portable size and suitable for beginners. Net weight 5.3 pounds, size 10.8 inch * 4.7 * 10.2. A new generation of motor provides greater piercing power for thick seams, can sew through a variety of thicker fabrics and allow you to sew a variety of projects such as altering and creating clothing, crafting, quilting, home decor and more. Number 2. Sewing machine for beginners, with table and finger guard in light 42 PCS sewing kits. Mini 2-thread 2-speed 2 switches foot pedal portable semi-electric sewing machines for kids ages 8 to 12. Brand Airswin. Color purple and white. Product dimensions 1 inch dx 0.3 wx 1h. Material acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS. Item weight 2 pounds. Power source electric. Compact and compact. The mini body is compact and can be easily stored in the drawer of your desk or the corner of your wardrobe, making it the perfect fit for a small home and unleashing your sewing passion anytime, anywhere. Abundant accessories to increase creativity for 2 PCS beginner sewing kit with random colors, original factory expansion table X1, foot pedal X1, AC/DC adapter X1, instruction manual X1, universal presser foot X1. Easy to cope with all kinds of complex processes, adding infinite possibilities to your creative handicraft. Number 3. Mini sewing machine with 123 PCS. Sewing kit for beginners, dual-speed portable sewing machine with lightened finger guard, suitable for household, travel. Brand Royal Cell Pro. Color pink. Product dimensions 10.23 inch dx 8.81 wx 6.53h. Is electric? Yes. Material 1M plus bought again. Power source AC/DC. 123 PCS sewing accessories are included with the sewing machine. The portable sewing kit includes 62 tools such as needles, thread spools, buttons, scissors, and 56 DIY accessories like tables, floral fabric, foot pedal and more. You can make clothes, jeans, aprons, pillows, dolls, etc. with our mini sewing machine. Complimentary $100 invaluable sewing tutorial ebook. You can learn to make 12 valuable items like aprons, shopping bags, dolls from it. You can choose 3 difficulty levels: easy, medium, and advanced. Ebook, FAQ, user manual and videos guides beginners to become sewing professionals. Unlike other sewing machines, our mini sewing machine comes with a finger guard. The mini sewing machine offers 2 speed modes, high and low, allowing you to adjust as needed. Plus, the built-in light allows you to sew at night or work on dark fabrics. Make your sewing journey safer and more convenient with our sewing machine. PureWave Sewing Machine for Beginners is designed with a mini size, 2.35 pounds, 10.23-inch DX 8.81 WX 6.53H. Mini Sewing Machine offers both battery and plug-in options. Sewing Machine for Beginners is ready to go with only 4 XAA batteries. Mini Sewing Machine is perfect for travel or home use. Compared to traditional desktop sewing machines, our Mini Sewing Machine features a complete packaging. No need for extra wrapping. Sewing Machine for Beginners is the perfect choice for birthdays, Thanksgiving, Halloween, or Christmas. Mini Sewing Machine makes your celebrations even more special. 4. Sewing Machine for Beginners with 20 PCS fabric and 32 PCS sewing threads kit, portable sewing machine with 12 built-in stitches, 2-speed. Brand Stoigeld. Color white and blue. Product dimensions 10.5-inch DX 4.5 WX 9.5H. Material plastic. Item weight 5 pounds. Power source AC/battery powered. Portable sewing machine, set with 20 PCS 7-inch by 7-inch random pattern color fabric and 32 PCS sewing threads kit. It's excellent practice tools for sewing. Lightweight at 4.2 lb, size 10.3-inch by 9.5-inch by 4.4-inch. AC adapter power, provides stable power, suitable for long sewing sessions without the hassle of changing or recharging batteries. Versatile stitchings, with 12 stitching modes including straight stitches, zigzag stitches, and decorative patterns, the sewing machine caters to all your sewing needs. Plus, the reverse sewing function ensures neat and sturdy stitches every time. User-friendly design, our sewing machine features threading indication marks for easy threading. Number 5. Sewing Machine for Beginners. Electric Mini Portable, 14 built-in stitches with reverse sewing, 2 speeds double thread with foot pedal, storage bag, cotton fabric and threads. Brand Decau. Color white. Product dimensions 4.7-inch DX 10.8 WX 10.2H. Material stainless steel. Acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS, stainless steel, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS. The perfect home sewing machine set. It has the accessories needed for sewing, such as a foldable storage bag, cotton fabric, and 12 colors of polyester sewing thread set. Number 6. Handheld Sewing Machine. Portable sewing machine with storage, electric switch, 2 speed modes, easy to operate, black with accessories. Brand Snow Voice. Color black. Product dimensions 9.45-inch DX 5.5 WX 4.13H. Material plastic. Power source DC. Video plus instruction manual instruction, sewing machine kit for sewing machine beginners and craft enthusiasts. Handheld sewing machine with video instruction and instruction manual guide, sewing machine for beginners easily master sewing skills. One is enough. The sewing machine comes with a full of sewing tools including portable sewing machine scissors, soft ruler, 5 replacement needles, 26 colors of thread as well as a thread changing tool and 4 buttons. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.